Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna and egg mixture, perfect for a quick meal or snack. First, gather your essential ingredients: canned tuna, hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and your favorite seasonings. Make sure your hard-boiled eggs are completely cooled and peeled before you start. Then, grab a clean mixing bowl and a fork, and you're ready to begin this simple recipe. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get mixing. Start by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to remove any excess liquid. This step is crucial for a good texture. Next, take your cooled, peeled hard-boiled eggs and mash them finely in your mixing bowl using a fork. Once mashed, add the drained tuna to the bowl with the eggs. We're almost there. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a simple way to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your tuna and eggs combined, it's time to add the flavor. Spoon in about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, adjusting to your preferred creaminess. Then, season your mixture with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of black pepper. Feel free to add other spices like paprika or onion powder if you like. Mix everything thoroughly until it's perfectly blended and smooth. Your delicious tuna and egg mixture is now complete and ready to enjoy. This versatile dish can be served in many ways. Try it on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or scoop it onto crackers for a quick, satisfying snack. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh dill or chopped chives. It's a fantastic, protein-packed option for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.